In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly track where your leads originate using HubSpot's inbuilt capabilities. If you're on the lookout for the simplest and quickest approach, this is the ideal solution for you. HubSpot's automatic tracking feature simplifies the process of identifying the original source of each new contact. This feature becomes active when you have the HubSpot tracking code installed on your website, and it automatically logs the original source of your leads. It could be from organic search, paid social, email marketing, referral, direct, or other categories, providing you with seamless and accurate data without lifting a finger. Not only does it track the primary source, but it also dives deeper by capturing additional data in what's termed as original source drill downs 1 and 2. This extra layer of detail can help you see, for example, specific campaign names, domains, or URLs that contributed to attracting a lead to your platform. The beauty of using this feature is that no setup is actually needed. That means there's no troubleshooting, no configuration complexities. The system does it all in the background for you. Now let's explore how you can view this invaluable data. First, navigate to the Contacts section from your HubSpot dashboard, then select Contacts. This is where the journey of viewing your original source details begins. Click on any contact you wish to analyze further. Once you're on the Contacts page, locate and click on the View All Properties button. This action will expand the data you can see, and what you'll find there includes the original source of the contact. But don't stop there, as you'll also gain access to original source drill down 1 and drill down 2. These steps provide precise tracking insights and enhance your understanding of exactly how different marketing efforts contribute to generating leads. This feature is especially useful for marketers who are keen to optimize their strategies or assess the effectiveness of their campaigns. It delivers instant clarity on which channels are performing well and which are not, thus enabling you to make informed decisions swiftly and confidently. By relying on this automatic feature, you save both time and resources while gaining an analytical edge that propels your marketing strategies forward. That's essentially everything you need to get started with tracking lead sources in HubSpot seamlessly. Implementing this method will not only allow you to keep better tabs on your marketing efforts, but it will also arm you with the insights you need to grow your business operation more strategically. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide useful in leveraging HubSpot's built-in tracking for optimizing your lead management process. Happy tracking!